Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can connect your Excel sheet with Google Looker Studio. So what are the different ways and how you can connect it, I will tell you all in this video. Let's begin the video. So the first thing that you should know that Looker Studio does not allow you to connect your Microsoft Excel sheets directly. Like if you have your Excel sheet in an online platform, then you cannot connect it directly. You either have to upload it or you have to first upload to Google Sheets and then connect it with your Looker Studio dashboard. So I'm going to show you both the ways. For the first step, you're going to click on the create button in Looker Studio, click on report. Here in the connect to data section, click on the search bar and click on upload. So in order to use an Excel sheet, we need to convert it into a CSV file and then we can upload into Looker Studio. So here you can see we have the option file upload. We're going to minimize our browser, and here is the Excel file that I want to upload, employee sales.xlsx file. So in order to save it as a CSV file, just simply click F12 on your keyboard and it's going to show you this pop-up menu. From the save as type option, click on it. Make sure you select the option CSV UTF-8 delimited, and we're going to select this option, and I'm going to name this employee sales new so that I know it is a CSV file. Click on save, and now if I close, you can see on the desktop I have the new CSV file which Looker supports. I'm going to open Looker Studio again. I'm going to click on the file upload button. First of all, I'm going to authorize Looker. Once it has been authorized, we're going to click on click to upload files. Here is the file employee sales new, which is a .csv file. I'm going to click on open, and if it shows an error, make sure that you have selected the CSV file with UTF-8 as format. Once the file has been uploaded, you can see it's going to show you the file employee says new CSV and the status is uploaded. I'm going to click on add, and you can see a total of 100 MB file can be uploaded using this method in Looker Studio. And now you can see it is showing all the details which are present in my CSV file or Excel file, and now I can add different visualizations, etc, etc. Now let me show you the second way, which is using Google Sheets. You're going to open googlesheets.com. We're going to click on blank spreadsheet. From here we're going to click on the file option and we're going to click import, click on upload, click on browse, and again you can upload a Excel file or a CSV file. It totally depends on you, but for this video I'm going to select the CSV file. Click on open. So if you guys are having any errors when uploading a CSV file directly to Looker, you can upload it to Google Sheets and then connect Looker Studio with that. So we're going to select the option replace spreadsheet, detect automatically. Click on import data, and here you can see it has added the new spreadsheet. I'm going to name it as Excel data so that we can easily find in Looker Studio, and the spreadsheet name is employee sales new. We're going to go back to Looker Studio. In the connectors we're going to type sheets and it should show Google Sheets by Google. Click on it, and for the first time it might ask you to authorize it, so just authorize it. We're going to select the option owned by me, and here in the list it's going to show you all the Excel sheets that you have access to in your Google account. If I go back, the Google Sheet file name is Excel data, so from here I'm going to select the spreadsheet Excel data. And if your Excel sheet has multiple sheets, then you can see that, but for now it only has one, so that's why in worksheet it's only showing one. Use the first row as headers because in this the first row are header. If you don't want to use it, you can uncheck this option, but I'm going to select this option. I'm going to click on add, and now you can see Excel sheet data is first added to Google Sheets, and now Google Sheet is connected to our Looker Studio. Again, there is no direct method, but these are the two different methods available as of now. So yeah guys, in this way you can add your Excel sheet data or connect your Excel sheet with Google Looker Studio. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe, If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.